So DJI finally dropped the teaser for what they're calling the most anticipated mini drone of the year, the Pro and Mini. Launch date locked, September 17th. And let me tell you, the buzz is real. The star of the show, that big chunky 1-inch camera sensor staring right at us. After months of leaks, blurry box photos, spec rumors, and wild speculation, we've now got a full unboxing video posted by an Indian YouTuber. It gave us our first real-world look at the Mini 5 Pro. But here's the kicker. That video was taken down almost immediately. Why? Because DJI doesn't allow any footage before launch. Which basically confirms what we already suspected. Plenty of influencers already have this drone in their hands, and they're probably out there recording polished review videos right now. But before we geek out over features, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. From EU web shops, the standard Mini 5 Pro is listed at about 819 euros. That's a small bump over the Mini 4 Pro, but honestly, not shocking. The Fly More combo, around 1,029 euros with the RC N3 controller, or about 1,159 euros if you want the RC2 Pro. And if you're in the US, expect pricing in the same ballpark once it drops. Now let's talk design. That leaked unboxing compared the Mini 5 Pro side by side with the Mini 4 Pro. And yep, the new one is just a bit larger. DJI had to make room for the bigger gimbal, the 1-inch sensor, and even LiDAR. The crazy part, they still kept it under 250 grams. That means no FAA approval needed in the US. Lightweight, but loaded with Paro-level hardware. Now, the real magic, the camera. We're talking about a 50 megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor that shoots 4K at 120 frames per second. Pair that with an f1.8 aperture, and you've got way better low light performance. Up to 14 stops of dynamic range in HDR auto, plus 10-bit recording for serious post-production. And the gimbal, it rotates up to 225 degrees. That means true vertical videos, ready for TikTok, Instagram, or Shorts. No weird cropping. Let's talk flight time. The leaks were right. The Plus battery gives you up to 52 minutes in the air. With the regular one, you're still getting around 36 minutes. That's a lot of airtime for a sub 250 gram drone, and DJI loaded it with all the smart modes: master shots, quick shots, panoramas, improved Active Track 360, and the new off-state quick transfer that moves files at 100 megabytes per second over Wi-Fi 6. Translation: your drone might transfer clips faster than your home Wi-Fi. So here's the bottom line. Whether you're brand new to drones or a seasoned flyer who wants something compact but powerful, the Mini 5 Pro looks like DJI's strongest Mini yet. Mark your calendars, September 17th, because that's when the reviews and official hands-on footage will flood the internet. And remember that Indian unboxing video that got pulled? Yeah, just imagine what's waiting in those influencer embargo vaults. It's coming. So did DJI just make the perfect mini drone? Or are we looking at another overpriced hype machine? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading and replying. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss my breakdown once this thing officially lands.